ServiceMate makes quotes easy, both for you to create and send, and for your clients to accept. You can generate quotes on the spot with the app or on the desktop. Let's start in the dispatch board. To create a quote, double-click to open the job, then click Billing. Enter a description of the work being quoted. You can use the Smart Writing Helper to improve what you've written, or jot down some notes, then click Auto Write to automatically draft the description. Next, add some items. Type here to search your labour rates, items, materials, and services. To add an item, just click it. Or use your arrow keys, then hit Enter. To create new items on the spot, give it an item code, click Create, then add the remaining details. This will save it to your ServiceMate items database, so you can add it to other jobs in future. If needed, you can change the name or price of an item for the current job only. It won't affect the saved item anywhere else. If you want to edit an item's default details, go to Account, then Materials and Services, and edit the item here. To change the order of items on your quote, simply drag and drop. To remove an item, click here. When you're done, click Send Quote. This will automatically generate your PDF and draft an email to the client. Click here to view the quote. If needed, you can change the message, use your Smart Writing Helper, and add attachments from the job's diary. When you're ready, click Send. You can then view the sent email or text in the job's diary. Now, when it comes to exactly how your quote is laid out and whether or not your quote is itemized, this depends on the quote template that you're using. Go to Settings, then Document Templates. This is where you can change your default quote and invoice templates. Click through to browse the available templates and how they display items. You'll notice that some will itemize everything, whereas others will roll your quote up into labour and materials, or just one single price. Also keep in mind that you can have more than one quote template available to use. To add one, click New Template, give it a clear name, set the type, and save. Then choose your template and save template settings. Back in a job card, if you want to use a different quote template, click the drop-down, then Customize Quote, choose your template, then Send. To create and send quotes in the ServiceMate app, open the job card, tap Billing, and enter a description of the work you're quoting. You can use the Smart Writing Helper here to improve or auto-write your description. Next, add your labour, material, or service items. Once done, tap Quote. Alternatively, tap here to use Auto Quote and automatically generate your description and line items. When you're happy, you can text or email it to your client. Just like the desktop, the standard message template is loaded and your PDF quote will be attached. Default quote messages include a unique link where your client can view and accept the quote online. All that's left to do is tap Send. Once you've issued a quote to a client, send the job to a queue for quotes pending acceptance for follow-up later. To send a job to a queue online, simply drag and drop it. Or click here in the job card. Check out our separate guidance on using queues to manage jobs on hold or jobs requiring certain action. Now, if the client calls you to accept your quote, click Accept. This will update the job status to a work order. From here, you can schedule the job to a staff member for completion. If the client accepts your quote online, you'll get a notification. The job status will automatically update from a quote to a work order, and the job will appear in the Action Required list. If the client doesn't accept your quote, update the job status to unsuccessful. This will archive the job from your dispatch board, but you'll always be able to search it in your jobs list, find it in your job history, or see it in the client's history. That's it for how to create and send standard quotes. Now, for those jobs you really want to win, be sure to check out the Proposals add-on. Completely separate to ServiceM8's standard PDF quotes, the Proposals add-on lets you create beautiful online quotes with richer formatting, images, attachments, multiple choice, and optional extras, all of which let you give clients more detail, choice, and control in the buying process.